Hey guys, Tech Mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 12 Pro in order to fix any issues that you may be experiencing. And this method is completely safe. It will not delete any of your personal data. So let's show you how that's done. So to hard reset your iPhone 12 Pro, first thing is we're going to locate the volume up and volume down button. We'll need to press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down really quick, one after another, and then come over to the right hand side and hold this side button until the screen goes completely black. Once you see the Apple logo appear, you'll let go of that side button. So in real time, volume up, volume down, and then you come over here and hold that side button just like that. As you can see here, I'm pressing and holding that side button as the screen is asking me to power off, but you do not need to power off. Just keep on holding that side button so that it's doing a hard reset by just turning it off completely. And once you see the Apple logo appear, you let go of that side button. And if for some reason Siri activates, make sure you press volume up and down quick, because if you don't, Siri will activate. And you need to do this a few times to get it right. Sometimes if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying and you should get it. Again, really simple: volume up, volume down, and then you hold that side button just like that. Again, this method is safe. It will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, anything like that. All it's doing is shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. And you can do it as many times as you need to in order to fix the issue. Most of the issues, software related, gets resolved by following this hard reset method, also known as a forced restart. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.